Hi guys, this is Pina in the Bronx. Let's do the walking together with MVP Comics. Okay. Yeah, it's a morning. Not morning. Look like morning, but it's not morning. It's a Sunday afternoon walk here in the Bronx. So Pinay is in the Bronx, so he's going to walk from the Bronx. Let's go. We get the light. So just keep walking. So like in the Philippines said, galaw-galaw na para hindi ma-stroke. So galaw-galaw. Yeah. So funny because yesterday it's a good weather like a summer, but today Sunday is like a winter again. So crazy weather. That's March. They said that's March. So even it's so cold, we need to walk. Right? Right? Yes. So just keep walking. So
You do your thing.
okay, he did his thing and I did my thing. And look at, I'm walking now. Just walk. So we get a good exercise, afternoon exercise. So see you next update again.
You're walking because of me or because you just walk?
Because of me. Okay, Pinay in the Bronx people. Exercise is the best exercise. Let us walk here in the Bronx. So we need to stop because the car is in there. Okay. So over there is ano.
We're not going that way.
Oh, why not go? Okay. Hindi na kami dun. There's another car. Okay, lakad-lakad. Walk live with the vision. Walk and walk tayo. Kasi kailangan yan. This is good for our body. Walk. Tayo ay mag-walk. But it's cold. It's freezing outside. But it's okay. Okay. Oh, let's go. Let's walk down the block. Tayo po ay maglakad. Lamig. Very cold po. Huh? Ito na sandwich. Not yet, right? This is 188 in the Bronx. Over there. 188 in the Bronx. Straight ahead or left? Huh? Left? Loads, ayan, uuwi na po tayo. From walking. But the truth, we did the grocery.
You want some of my tuna?
No, that's yours. So, going home for a long walk. How many hours?
What?
How many hours we walk?
I don't know.
For one
We'll take 15 minutes.
10 minutes. Nag-start po kami maglakad is about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's already 6 o'clock in the evening. So, ano na, most of the establishment is closed because it's Sunday. So, it's busy. Going. What did you look? Straight or the other side?
Yeah, the cauliflower for $2.
You want to buy? We still have your we still have the going home mga loads. It's past 6 already. That's why, and the weather is very good. So this is the Boardham. You can buy outside, like in Divisoria. So this place reminds me in Divisoria or in Muñoz. This is Muñoz area. So kailangan mag-ingat. Maraming maraming loko-loko dito. So kailangan natin mag-ingat. So, malapit na po kami sa aming bahay. 3 blocks. Is it? 4 blocks ahead, and then we are getting to our place. So, ito po ang aming walk from the Bronx area. So, exercise, galaw-galaw para hindi ma-stroke. Okay? That's the good thing. We have to be always galaw-galaw. You know, move. We need to move. So this is the area. Galaw-galaw para hindi ma-stroke. Walk para maganda ang puso. Walk. Para our health is good. Okay. Happy Sunday sa amin dito. At syempre, happy Monday sa Philippines and all over the Asian.
This is Pinay in the Bronx. Thank you for watching.